I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your JHO login, recovery codes, and a Totp app on your phone. Once installed, open JHO settings and navigate to security, then two-factor authentication. Select Totp as the method. This tells JHO to use time-based codes, which are more resilient. Make sure your phone clock is set to automatic time, otherwise codes will drift. Now tap Enable or Set Up and keep this screen open, because the next step is scanning or entering the key. Once the QR code appears, open your Totp app and choose Add Account, then scan QR code or manual entry. If you enter the secret key manually, type it exactly. Spacing usually doesn't matter. After the app produces a 6-digit code, type that code back into JHO to confirm the link. Make sure the code refreshes every 30 seconds. This verifies time sync. After confirmation, immediately save JHO's backup codes in a password manager or printed secure note. You might need them later. Complete setup by logging out, then log back in and enter your JHO password followed by the Totp code from your app. This proves everything works. If the code is rejected, first check your phone's time settings and ensure automatic network time is on. Most failures are time drift. If problems persist, rescan the QR or restore from app backup and use saved recovery codes to access your account. Finally, set up a secondary 2FA option to avoid lockout and store recovery info offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.